Slacker Chicago.
Okay.
I'll wait till I get it in the mail.
Toy retrieval time. We're taping, so don't say anything you don't want someone to hear. Nellie.
Nelly Belly.
Nellie. Never seen her just sit there. A little camera shy? Camera shy this morning? Whoa. Yes.
That was a good one.
You make every morning bright. Good girl. Good girl. And look, I'll leave that out for you. We have the purple puff. Purple puff. Just a second. I don't know if this is going to catch this. Purple puff. Okay? Yes, good girl. And we have the green puff. Green puff. Green puff's out for the day. Yes. Good girl.